Finding your WhatsApp number is a simple process that can be done directly within the app. If you're unsure which phone number is linked to your WhatsApp account, you can easily check by opening the app and navigating to the settings menu. So on your phone, open WhatsApp and tap on the settings option. On the Android, this can be accessed by tapping the three dots in the upper right corner and then selecting settings. On the iPhone now, tap the gear icon at the bottom right of the corner of the screen. And once you're in the settings menu, tap on your profile picture or name at the top of the screen to open your profile. Here you're going to see your phone number displayed under the phone number section. This is the number linked to your WhatsApp account. You can also update this number if needed by tapping on it and basically following the prompts to change your WhatsApp number. All right? Alternatively, if you've forgotten your number, you can find it by simply checking your phone's contact list or sending a message to someone else and viewing your number in the chat header. This is especially helpful if you have a dual SIM phone or use multiple numbers.